Hello everyone, it's Michelle. I know it's been a while, but I have moved into a new house. I moved because I want to be closer to my daughter and my grandson. So now I'm just going to give you a tour of the house. So let's go ahead and jump on in. I'm super excited. This is the front door. I absolutely love this door. It brings in a ton of light into the front entryway. Now, there's a lot that needs to be changed in this house. The previous owner was a lover of farmhouse, and it's not quite my style, so I'll kind of take you through some of the things that I am going to change. I love the front entryway. It is open. It's open to the stairs, and I love the molding that they did going up the stairs. So that I'm going to keep. These floors. This has a really rustic sort of farmhouse feel to it. So I will be changing the floors. I'm going to show you the floor that I've already picked out and will be installed next week. I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, I'm going to love the warmth that this floor is going to bring to the area. I'm going to do the entire first floor that way. I love the molding that's in here in the dining room and the two windows, which also brings in a lot of light. I'm not going to change the paint color in here at all. The light fixture, that's going to get changed. That door over there, that's going to go. It's not really my style. Somebody put a lot of effort into it, and it's really nice, but it's just not for me. I do love the doggy door here, the doggy area under the stairs, because I do have a dog, and when people come over, I can just kind of put her away in there so that she's not in the way. And so far she's liking being in there, so that part has really worked out. Yep. Into the family room and the kitchen. And what I love about the kitchen is this huge island. Now you see that tin that's under there, under the island? That's another farmhouse feature that the previous owner put in. And believe it or not, guys, I've been in here for 2 weeks already. That has already been removed. I already got my bar stools. So guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to do a whole series of decorating this entire house, almost 3,000 square feet. And I'm going to take you along the way with me. So please join me on this journey. Hopefully you can get some ideas or inspiration. And I'm going to put my DIY skills to work and my decorating skills to work. And it's going to be super fun. Light fixtures, those are going to go. I've already picked out some new ones, but I'm not going to be installing those yet. It's going to be a couple of months on that. I love all the storage and the light coming in with these windows. At first I wasn't sure about the way the kitchen is set up, because it's like more lower cabinets and upper cabinets, but I actually like it. I like it so far. I really do. So over here now, the family room, off of the family room is where they have, it's another bedroom. It's like bedroom number one. And it's got these barn doors on it. The finish on the barn doors is not really for me, because it's, sort of like that chippy paint, that kind of dirty look. But I love the doors. I'm just going to either paint them or I'm not really sure yet. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. But I do like barn doors. And it closes off this this first bedroom, which is on the first floor. But I'm actually not going to use it for a bedroom right now. It's actually going to be sort of like a wine conversation room is what I'm thinking. That's my idea for it right now. But yeah, so that's the way that looks. Yeah, I definitely want to change that as soon as possible. So I will be doing videos on all the DIYs that I do, and looking forward to you guys joining me, and let me know how you feel about it, and let me know what you think about the outcome. Over here is a drop zone because that's right next to the garage door. We come in and then that's another storage area right there. So I do like the drop zone, but I'm just not feeling like the way the gray and the white is on the wall. Kind of looks like wood stuck on a wall, sort of. But anyway, this is bathroom number 1. Someone has done a finish on the vanity. I will probably change that. The mirror I'm okay with. The light fixture is probably going to get changed later on. But it's a good sized bathroom with a lot of light, so I do like it. And that's the bathroom that kind of goes with this bedroom. So I like the fact that that's on the first floor, because if I ever wanted to have a first floor, have a first floor bedroom, I could change it into that if I wanted to. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and go on upstairs now. Okay, so it has a 2-story foyer, and it could probably accommodate a huge light fixture up there. So there's a lighting sale that happens every year in my area. It's like a warehouse sale. It happens like in October, so I'm gonna hold out on changing that until that lighting sale, because they typically have like huge, beautiful light fixtures for 90% off. So I'll let you know about that before it happens. So I'm gonna head on up the stairs now. Stairs has carpet, which I believe I'm going to remove because I'm just not feeling it. Definitely gonna get all this well, actually the carpet has been cleaned. So the carpet looks a little dirty. It has been cleaned thoroughly. That's the laundry room. Nothing special there yet. Over here, it has a little bit of hanging rack, like a hanging rack for some storage or whatnot. So I do like that. In here, this is the bonus room. And this is a massive room. Not sure if you can tell, but this will be like a media room. Movies, and kind of like a play area for my grandson, because this room is so huge. But I do like it. All right, let's go head on down the hallway. Okay, so down the hallway, this is bathroom number 2. Make a mental note of what this bathroom looks like right now, because I have some really good ideas on what I can do with this one. Going to be, hi guys, it's going to be completely different than the one downstairs. I have some kind of fun ideas of what I can do with that. So like I said, guys, if you're looking for ideas or inspiration, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. And this one does have a linen closet, which is great for storage. I love that. Over here is bedroom, another bedroom, a little bit smaller, but good enough for a guest bedroom. Now we're going to go into the master. And the master does have a sitting area, which is this area over here. Nice size sitting area. So I think that's probably the first area I'm going to set up. And this is the sleeping area. And I'm looking forward to getting everything together in here. Like I said, I've been in here for 2 weeks already, and I have all my furniture in here already. So I'll definitely be sharing a lot of videos. I'll be doing a lot of videos like back to back to back, because there's so much to do in here. This is the master bathroom. It's got nice high ceilings. I like that. Okay, so this is the master closet. It's got a lot of space to it. It's bigger than the one that was in my previous house. I want to do a custom closet, but I would do the closet where they send everything to me and then I install it. I would rather do that rather than pay that huge price tag to get them to actually come and install it. The light fixtures, those are going to get changed. I had a chandelier in my other one, so I'll probably end up with a chandelier in this one as well. But there was a water closet in there I didn't show you, but there's nothing in there right now, so that's gonna change as well. So guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're trying to turn your house into home, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be turning this house into a home where we can live and be comfortable and enjoy it. So I hope you come along with me with this journey. I'm in the middle of boxes everywhere right now, unpacking, and I'm going to be bringing you a lot of videos pretty fast and right behind each other. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments and I will get back with you. I'm going to show you outside, and then I'm going to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.